Merry Christmas, guys! What's going on, guys? It's Girl Fashionista, and if you're here and watching this video, most likely that means you are Nista and you've entered my Christmas giveaway. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed, I must say. Didn't have that many participants. I know I've been away for a while and it was my first giveaway, so my expectations weren't that high, but it is what it is. And 'tis the season, people. You should have tagged somebody. I get it, you wanted to win the prize money, so you didn't tag any of your friends, but I won't tell. Hopefully you actually enjoyed entering this contest and you got to know me a little bit better from watching my old videos through your entry, hopefully. And you're not like one of those people that kind of just join in for the giveaway and disappear. So hopefully you'll stick around, and I'm gonna have more videos for you guys and a lot more interesting topics and everything else. Who knows, maybe if I added a 0 to that prize, we might have seen a little bit more participation in that way. But that's for another time. Here's the list of winners for this Christmas giveaway. I know I don't film as frequent, but I do try to create content that is worthy of uploading. So if you're in for that, stick around.